is up, guys? I'm here, Lake Garda, Italy. And it is brutally windy, cold. I'm gonna try to catch some fish. Check out this view. Beautiful. I'm gonna try to fish these docks and see whatever I can catch. I don't think I'm gonna catch anything because it is brutally windy and cold. But I'm gonna try this paddle tail and see what happens. Let's get to it. You guys getting scared?
No.
You ready to jump off the mountain?
Yep.
Oh. See, we have a two different takeoff. One from west. Today we starting from there. And another one there. But today the wind coming from west and we starting from there and go to the left side. Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe this stuff in the truck.
Do you want me to ask them? Should they put their stuff in the truck?
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Togli imbraghi.
Yes.
So once you guys go down, how do you get the truck back?
Yeah. You
got
go
another-
back with the other one.
Oh, okay, another vehicle comes up. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Who lives up here?
Sorry?
Does anyone live up here?
It's mine.
Nice.
Nice, eh?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yep.
Peaceful.
Yeah, nice.
Oh yeah. Good to have a nice bonfire and sit out.
Wow.
Have some beer.
No stress from city. It's beautiful, yeah.
Say hi, guys. Oh, sorry. Say welcome to Yada Yada Fishing.
Disaster. Okay? Our engine are legs. So, stopping legs is like to broke the engine. Okay?
Okay.
Run and keep running. When we are in the air, we explain to you everything about put the pedal and stay relaxed. On landing, nothing to do. Just lie down because we are side by side. Super easy. We land like an airplane on the wheels. Okay?
So
Super smooth landing. So we take in the air people from 3 years old to every age,
okay.
more than 90. So the only thing they have to do is doing what the pilots say, and in this case, everything is safer. I have an experience of 41 years, okay, of flying with this. So at this point, you just trust in us because we are on the mountain, and if you do what we say, no problem at all. Okay?
Okay.
And the normal takeoff, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I give you this one.
Thank you.
Yeah. Try this one or another one. Another more. Don't worry, it's not a good word, but yeah, yeah. When I said don't worry, everybody, okay.
I'm nervous, but I'm excited.
Yeah, super is normal, yeah? Yeah. So with me, you need to go up there and go inside there.
Oh, put my legs
Yeah,
in?
yeah,
Okay.
with your feet, yeah. So this, okay,
Mhm.
go in, yeah, perfect. And the other thing, here, don't worry, yeah. Okay, go down, feet.
Oh, I can see it.
Here. So, right feet in front of you, yeah, like this. Closer to me and head up. Okay. Very. 1 second, the wind help us, okay? So Eric, are you ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go. Run. Good job. Yes. Come on.
Are you record with Meta?
Niente, aspettiamo. L'importante è che ci sia là. Già che fa così è una bella cosa.
Okay. Peter, come with me. This feet in front. This feet in front.
Yep.
Yep, this one. Wait a second. Three, two, one, run, man! Run! Oh-ho!
Yeah.
Okay, leave the pedal. Feet up. Oh-ho! Come on!
Woo! Yeah, baby!
There.
Woo!
Three, two, one, run, man!
Remember, don't jumping, eh? Like
Yeah,
now.
like
eh?
John. Jump.
Look, wow.
Yeah, well, like his feet are not in the thing.
Che saltare.
Let's hook up.
So, follow me. No, the wings are
Woo!
more there, down there. More. Yeah, super.
John Robertson, ready to go.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
leave Okay. Feet, come with me. This feet in front. This feet in front.
Yep.
Yep. This one. Wait a second. Three, two, one. Run, man. Run, run. Yeah. Hey, leave the pedal. Feet up. Whoa! Come on! Woo! Yeah, baby! There. Woo! Yes! Windy day, eh?
Fish in that pond?
Sorry?
Got any fish in that pond?
Yeah?
Snakehead in there. Yeah.
You can move the camera like you want, eh?
Okay. I like it like that right now.
It has the horizontal automatic, so you can put like you want.
Okay. Fly, Eagles, fly! Woo! Go birds!
Come on! Whoa! Woo! Whoa! Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, contact!
Yeah! Do I keep this thing under my feet? Don't move. Woo!
Okay, 1, 2, 3, contact! Sit down. Come with me. So John, came here. Say ciao to your mom.
Hey, Mom!
Hey,
Ciao!
ciao.